Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to save 7 accounts and pass 7 Apex funded challenges. So, really quickly, and how I was able to make $10,000 on my funded accounts also. So, really quickly, my accounts were very close to being blown out, like less than $10 from getting blown out. So, what I did was I saved my accounts for CPI. And then what happened was I knew I was waiting for a very big news event to happen. So what I was waiting for was a big news event to happen so that my my accounts could be saved. So because like when the accounts are very close to being blown out by like less than $10, I like to save them for a very big news event so that price can push past of my stop order and then hopefully save my accounts. So really quickly, so I'm gonna look at the Forex Factory. So what I like to do is I like to look for very big news events, red news folder events. So either NFP or CPI. So over here, I knew that the forecast was forecasting fairly high. So it was forecasting 0.3%. And I knew that that was kind of high because relative to how the previous months were performing, the actuals were actually lower than 0.3%. So I knew that the chances of it being negative for US dollar was going to be great. So remember, when the forecast comes out greater than what the US dollar will be, that means that gold or the NASDAQ will shoot up higher. So since I knew that this is kind of going to be higher, so the chances of this number to be actually red is going to be a higher chance. So my probability of the chances were going to be a lot higher. So that's what I did. So I ended up going long on the Nasdaq, full margin. So on Apex, you're only allowed to trade 10 accounts, 10 contracts. But I had a total of 12 accounts to save, and I was able to save, I believe, 9 of them. And so I'll even show you guys in a minute. But um, one second. One second while I try to figure this out. So, really quickly, so this is CPI news break. So I knew that the chances of it going higher are going to be very great. So that's why I put a stop order right above a buy stop order right above where price was because price was resting right here, and I put a stop order right above here, and it got triggered in over here, and I took home 142 pips for 8 contracts on Nas Mini. So, 8 contracts on Nas Mini. Let's see how much that equals up to. It came out to $5,680. So it blew past my buy stop order, and I was able to bank home $5,600 on this trade. So that across, let me show you guys. I'm currently in a Nas sell right now, but I'm currently in drawdown, but it's okay. So really quickly, you can see in my accounts over here, my accounts are all green except for one account. I don't know why this one closed out in negative. It's kind of weird because I closed them out all in the same time. So it's really, really weird. I don't know why that closed out in negative. I don't know why I lost that account. But it just goes to show you that the power of copy trading is great. And the power of using the TraderVate's copy trader is very, very outstanding. So, just to show you guys, like, if you're close to blowing your accounts, just save your accounts for a very big news event and put buy stops or sell stop orders, and then put it right above the current price. So at 5:29 a.m., right a little bit past 5:29 p.m., I put my buy stop and I put a sell stop order over here, and it just blew past my stop order. Sorry, I put a buy stop order there. But yeah, guys, just want to share this with you guys. So remember, if you're close to blowing your account, just put a stop order. Look at the news events and see like what the just look at the previous news events. So like For example, let's look at NFP last week. Sorry, the week before. So NFP last week, I knew that it was forecasting 138,000, and I knew that was really low. So I knew that the chances of it being a lot higher were going to be really good. So I was going to go short on the Nasdaq and or short on gold. But the thing that happened was that gold is the one that shot down because green on US dollar means negative for gold or Nasdaq. But the thing is that Nasdaq is the one that shot up, and I was trading Nasdaq. I went short on Nasdaq, but it totally rallied. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit my DMs, and I'm happy to share them with you. All right, guys, peace.